Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to set the date on your Movado Verso watch. So here we have the crown positions. So I'm showing you the official manual. So what we want to do is come here on position 2. Now here you can correct the date, the day, okay, any of that. So let's say you want to go ahead and set the day. So that is what you do. So you pull the crown out to position 2. And the watch will continue to run. You just need to turn the crown counterclockwise. Okay, so clockwise is like this, right? Going like this. Counterclockwise goes like this in the opposite direction. So you do it like this until the correct day appears in the day or date window. So set here, so here we have the day. So keep going like this until you get the correct day, and then you push the crown back into position 1. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.